Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Wednesday, November 9th, 2022. So I think, the people spoke last night, at least for some of the states out there. And I think the market it gave their reaction to the midterms. It was one of the things when we took our profits on the long side, we had this big drop, and when it was rallying up, there's just too many people believing that the Republicans were going to sweep everything and bring our country back to normal. And when everybody's looking one way, I just have an instinct to look the other way. This was it. We had, you saw the S&P down 80 points today. They still have to, right now they got through the important resistance, so the Bears have to defend the 3809 level. If they lose that, then we're going to see the quick move up to the 3860. I most likely there will be some buyers in this area here at the 3700. But one thing that I'm actually just looking at right here, that you really want to keep an eye on is a potential. Hang on. Okay. A potential head and shoulders pattern. And this one's a little bit tricky because it's not like just straight across not the straight across neckline where it typically goes like that. So right here, I mean, if this happens, this is actually a pretty significant move if this head and shoulders pattern plays out, because you got 3900 down to 37. So if it breaks in this area here, what's going to happen is you're looking at another 200 points to the downside, which brings us back down to closing this gap. Now, I don't know if this is going to play out exactly like that, but it's something we have to keep an eye on. So we went from the overbought levels to oversold. We don't have any bullish divergences. So to me, my preferred pattern is we're going to come down, test the bottom of this bull flag here at the trend line, and then from there start the way up for this Santa rally, that I kind of believe it will play out. So, tomorrow's going to be pretty interesting. We have the CPI numbers, so that's going to be market moving. So I'd be a little bit careful. Hang on one second. Let me just do this. Okay, so now 15-minute chart. You can see we don't have any bullish divergences here. So this is telling us that I don't think this is going to be over, because here you can see where this is nothing as far as buy signals. And again, if these levels get taken out, then we're probably coming down to the 3630. So my take is this: if I would be looking to start scaling in, and it depends tomorrow. If we open up down 80 points because of the CPI number, then we just wait for this thing to make a bottom. But if we come down and we see some people starting to buy here and they're trying to make it, I'm not against taking a third and then taking a third down at the 3650 and then waiting down at the 3600 and for a third. And we'll be laying ourselves in. Then from there, we'll get, when we get the bounce, we'll just start layering out. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. You can see this is the important resistance, the 3800 level, and this is going to be this important support at the 3700. So have a great night, and I will talk to you guys in the morning.